What sound does Mom make after she's had bean and rice for dinner? Yeah. And what does your Grandpa Ed sound like after a long meal at the country club? And how about Nana after a long lunch at the Lobster Pound? Really? She's particularly that way, huh? Really? And how about Morgan? What does Morgan sound like? Really? Is that your recollection? Is that your recollection? And have you ever heard Ella after she's nursed? What does she sound like? It sounds like you've pinned down a trait that is common to all Barneys. What would you say it is? Can you tell me? They all make that sound after they eat. Every one of them. That's it. It's confirmed. Fountain has nailed it down.